Hey guys, this is Skip with High Volts RC. Ready to go wheeling.
On a rough road riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Like a new moon rising fierce through the rain.
We're gonna turn our Barbie car into an RC car. We're gonna turn our sidekick into an RC car.
Hey guys, this is Skip with High Volts RC. Today we've got in front of us a Barbie Beetle. We're going to try to take this body and modify it to fit our low-C two-wheel drive buggy. Now I'm kind of out here in my workshop. I got a makeshift table going on here. It's not the best filming conditions. See the boat I'm working on in the background. But we're going to try to see if we can make a fun little video here. My girls are ecstatic. They're ready to see this little Barbie Beetle drive around. So we're going to try to put it together for them, and that'll be their little ride.
Deep like the grandest canyon, wild like an untamed stallion. If you can't see my heart, you must be blind. You can knock me down and watch me bleed, but you can't keep no chains on me. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And I'm not good at long goodbyes, but look down deep into my eyes. I was born free. The calm, facing danger, lost like an unknown stranger. Grateful for my time with no regrets. Close to my destination.
Alright guys, so we've gone ahead and finished cutting out the rest of the back. I broke my bit on my little Dremel, so I had to finish it off with the little carbide cutter there. But I finished trimming it out. I got it cut out there for you. Unfortunately, I didn't get that part on film. But yeah, that's what we got there. So little low-C buggy. It's on there pretty nice. Got the motor sticking out the back. Kind of crude, but it'll work. This is our Barbie buggy. This is our Barbie car. Top of our little low-C triple XT. Just got it, the body cut and modified to fit on there. I got it temporarily mounted right now with the zip ties on there. Make sure everything's gonna work. The suspension is gonna clear and everything's great. Turned out good. I'm happy with it. Little kid's Barbie car now that we're driving around. Gotta get a couple electronics for it and controller for it. They'll be hitting it in the backyard, so stay tuned for more running videos for our Barbie buggy.